Hi everybody, my name is Elaine Duff and I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm at Sweet Auburn Barbecue, and I'm so excited to find out what they're making me in their Southern barbecue style, some Bird Dog whiskey cocktails. So let's go inside and see what they're making me today. Hi, so I'm here with Chef Cam and partner to Sweet Auburn Barbecue here in Atlanta, Georgia. So I would love to hear the story of you, how you became a chef and the story behind this amazing place.
I fell in love with the aspects of smoke and char and barbecue.
Yeah, you guys are doing things that are a little more innovative here than a typical bar. Is that your influence, or is that something they were already doing?
Well, it is. It's kind of all of us as a team.
What are you guys famous for?
We are famous for our pork and brisket. Okay. A lot of competitions, best barbecue of Atlanta. So you'll find anything influenced from smoked coconut curry on the menu. A lot of times we'll do smoked veal bones where you can scrape them onto some toast.
And you guys seem to have a really great bar here, a good whiskey collection, and some great cocktails. Yeah. That's, is that something that was also purposeful to make sure your drinks were at the same level?
For sure. We always wanted to have that kind of craft cocktail vibe. When you're here, you're at our house, so we want to leave you with an experience.
No, I love that. Being able to go to one stop, get a great drink, get some great food. Right. So what are you making me today?
So today we are making our house-made Wagyu burger. And the first step we're going to do is we're going to make a bacon jam utilizing the Bird Dog whiskey.
Oh, nice.
So what we'll do is we'll start out with a pot. We'll get our bacon in.
Okay.
And we're going to render this down.
You can already smelling the sweet smell of bacon. And how long do you normally cook the bacon for?
So this will go just for a few minutes. You can already kind of see the fat rendering in there. Mm-hmm. And then at this point, we'll get our onions in.
For those of you who love bacon, this smells really good right now.
And we'll just keep that moving so it doesn't start to burn.
Absolutely.
And then we'll get in a little bit of sliced garlic.
Okay.
So the first things we put in are the things we want to taste last, right? Layering those flavor profiles. And then we're going to get in our black cherry Bird Dog here. This may flame up, and that's okay. That's just part of the experience. So the
black cherry and the bacon just seemed like a natural flavor combination for you?
It did. And in a moment we're going to add some coffee to this, some coffee simple syrup.
Okay.
And just those notes, those dark, rich, earthy notes kind of balance out with that black cherry, a little bit of tartness in there. And so while this is cooking, we will start to grind our burger patties. So we'll just push this down through. So all we're gonna do is take this, just no filler. So for these, they'll only take a few minutes, and you'll start to see it cooking all the way through, which you'll see when we press these out, and we'll season these. I'm a purist, so we do salt and pepper. Medium is definitely the best way to go, for sure.
Yeah, no, I think it kind of brings out, still allows you to taste the meat, which is fantastic.
So this is smoked brisket fat. And again, this also goes to my concept of no waste. And so what you'll kind of see is you'll see a lot of moisture is coming up through the patty. And so as that happens, you'll see moisture evaporating through the top of the burger. And then that's when it's kind of letting you know you should flip me before I overcook. So this is smoked Gouda.
Okay.
So we're adding another layer of smokiness to it. Some creamy smoked Gouda on there.
I see a theme happening.
Yeah.
A lot of smoke.
Building those layers. And so we'll use the cheese as a timer. If it's medium rare, the minute that cheese melts, we want to get it out. We'll take a freshly toasted brioche bun. Use some of our little house pickles. This is our classic little mix of pickles we use for all of our plates.
So that's done. So that's the cheese telling you it's ready to go.
Yep. And so you can also be able to touch it, and you'll be able to feel it and see the buoyancy of it. If it's really firm, you should probably start over. But we will pull these off, and then we'll let the residual heat of that.
Wow, it's a double patty.
It is a double patty upstairs for sure. And then we will put this on top and get the bacon jam on there, and it'll be yours to go. This is the Bird Dog bacon jam.
Nice.
And serve this with a fork and a knife.
So in front of me, I now have the Wagyu beef burger topped with the black cherry Bird Dog whiskey bacon jam, topped with an egg. I'm also going to be enjoying a Bird Dog black cherry Manhattan. So I think these are going to be a great combination. You get that bacon jam you get the burger. It's so delicious. I'm gonna wash that down with my black cherry Manhattan. Oh yeah. The combination of the sweetness from the black cherry Manhattan with a little bit of that bitter notes really like adds to the savoriness of this incredible burger. So for those of you who think this recipe looks amazing and you happen to be in Atlanta, you definitely need to be coming down to Sweet Auburn Barbecue for some innovative cocktails as well as some food. And for other recipes like these, go to birdogwhiskey.com and you'll learn about this and so many other recipes that we have there right now.